Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about a new topic which is bubble sorting in list using function. So first we will know the what's bubble sorting and how it works. Then we will see the whole code and its execution. So first we will see you can see here that these are index and these are some random numbers. So first we can see 15, 8, 10, 6, 9, 1, 7 and 0. These are the index of this number. So we will know that how the bubble sorting is work. So bubble sorting is a method when we can sort in numbers in ascending order or in descending order, a bunch of numbers actually in ascending order or in descending orders. This method is called bubble sorting. So how it is work? So in the first pass, it's work like it's swapping. Like it swaps 0th index and 1th index in between these two. So first here is 15 and here is 8. So first it shows that 8 is bigger than 15 or 8 is smaller than 15. If 8 is smaller than 15, then it is swap. So we all know that 8 is smaller than 15. So first after swapping it's come first 8 and then 15. And then it swap again in between 1th index and in between second index. So now in one index it came 15 here. So here it's see this 15 is bigger than 10 or not. So we know that 10 is smaller than 15, so it swap. So it came 10 here and then 15. So now 15 is came here in the second index. Now it is check that second or third index in between. So it check 15 is smaller than 6 or bigger than 6. We all know that 6 is smaller than 15. So 6 is came here and 15 will be came here. Now 15 came third index and it shows between third and fourth index. So it shows that 15 is smaller than 9 or bigger than 9. So 9 came first, then 15. Now 15 came here in the fourth index. Then it is so in between fourth and 5 index. So in between 15 and 1. So 1 came first. So first 1, then 15. Now it comes this index and in between this index 5 or 6. So 7 and 15. So say 7 come first and then 15. Then it check in between 6th and 7 index. So 7 index here we can see here is 0. So 0 come first and then 15. So here we can see that the first number which was 15 is came in the last because 15 is the biggest number in this total series. So 15 came last. In this way, the next pass will done because in the next pass we can see the biggest number is second biggest number is 10. So it's check accordingly. Like now it's check this way. It not checking 15 because 15 came last. It is okay. So now it checks in this number. So first 8 then 10. So it is okay that 8 is smaller than 10. So 8 is first. This is right. And then it check 10 and 6. Then 6 will come here and 10 will come here. Now it check 10 and 9. So 9 will come first and 10 will come second. And now it check 10 and 1. So 1 is come first and 10 is come second. It swap in between them and this in this way it swap in every pass. When so you all want to know that when this is stop, when this will stop. So when the 0 is come in the 0th index and the number will arrange properly, then it stop the total pass. Okay, now we will see the code. So in this code we can see there are 6 elements. One is list. I declare here list name is list underscore x, and which is list, and then 4 functions and this main. Now we will see the main part first because the execution will start from here. In this main part, we will call a function whose name is main, which is this function. Let's see what's in this function, this main function. In this main function, we can see that we take a while loop, which is while true, and I declare a menu. It's a menu driven function, so I have to declare a menu, and then I take a choice, and in the first choice we call a function whose name is input underscore element underscore number. Let's see what is in the first function. When we press enter 1, then control come here to here. Let's see what is in this function. Let's close this. Okay, in this function we can see that we'll take a print that how many elements you want to store in the list. It's in this list underscore x. How many is how many elements we want to store in this list. Next we have to take input of these numbers or this element which is stored here. So we take input and we take append function because we all know that when we want to put something in the end of the list, we use dot append method in list. That's why we take here in append method, and then I will run a for loop because of this total number I want to print. I want to write here and it iterates. So I run a for loop and take a input of the number and append. Now see the second choice, which is original list. Okay, let's open this list. In this list, we simply print this total list, and which is whose number is input here. It will print by this list, by this total list, by this total function. This is simple. Now choice number 3. Let's see what is in the choice number 3. So in this choice number 3, first we print a sorted list because we want to know that and we want to print the sorted list. So now here n, I take n equal to len in the bracket the list name. What is len? Here len is the length of the total list. So I want the length of the total list. That's why I take len, which is inbuilt function of in Python. Now I take a for loop which is I in the range of n, means in the range of this len. So this for loop is works for this total length of the outer version. And this for loop j for j in range 0 and n minus I minus 1. I will discuss it definitely. And this for loop is here because this iteration part. So first for loop is for outer portion, this len and this portion, and second for loop is for the iteration part. That how many iteration will be happen or how many swapping will be happen here. That's why I'll take this for loop here. So in this for loop, we run a if, which is if list name, which is list underscore x, and in j is greater than j plus 1. Here j means the 0th index and j plus 1 means 0th index plus 1 means 1 index. Means if 15 is greater than 8, then this will happen. So what is this? Let's see by a picture. Okay. Just a second. Okay. Let's see by a picture. Here we can see there are 3 boxes. So one is number A and one is B and second is box. There is a list underscore x, which is our list name, and in the third bracket there is j, means this portion, and in the box B there is list underscore x, and in the third bracket j plus 1, means this portion, means the firsteth index, and this box is this name is temp, but this box is empty. So how will it works? So when we know that this box is empty, A is come here, and then it will be empty, and then the B is come here. I hope you will understand that first this, listen to it again. First this box is empty, we all know. So first in the element of A box is come here, then it will be empty, and then the element of B box it come here. So now this box is empty. So now this temp box, which is full of this element, this came here, and that's why the interchange, that's how the interchange will happen. This is come here and this is come here by the using of temp. I think this is clear. So now we'll see the code again. So this is clear, I hope. And then I will print the list after sorting, which is list name, and we want to find the sorted list. Now we'll run the code and let's see what is happening here. Okay, it's wants that enter a choice. So I'll take choice number 1. Then it asks how many elements you want to store in the list. So okay, we'll go for this part, and we will go for this part. So we will add this element. So there are 8 elements. So enter 8 elements. Enter 8 elements. Now enter the number. Okay, first is 15, second is 8, now 10, 6, 9, 1, 7 and 0. Now it's wants the choice. Let's see the choice. So the second choice is in the original list. Okay, so this list is print here, and now I will take choice number 3 and see. This total list is print here. Total sorted list is print here. So in this way, we can do the bubble sort, the total bubble sort. In this way, we can do the total bubble sort. And I think this is clear to you all. Thank you so much. And in the next day, we will talk about another program. Bye.